Hello students, welcome to Akshata Public Schools Digital Library. Let's summarize on our environment. Our learning objectives are to understand what are natural and human environment, to understand the importance of ecosystem, the positive and negative impact of humans on the environment. Our environment is where we live, our surrounding. It includes everything that's on the earth. It can be natural or man-made. It comprises the unique condition on the earth which allow life to exist and make it different from the other planets. Environment refers to the interaction of humans and all other living forms with the physical aspect of the earth. Let's see what is natural environment. Natural environment is the vast variety of landforms and life forms. It can be abiotic or biotic in nature. Natural environment consists of four realms, namely lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere, which can be classified under abiotic or biotic. Abiotic components include all the physical or non-living things such as land, mineral, soil, water and climate. On the other hand, biotic components include all the biological or living beings such as plants, animals, insects, etc. Let's discuss about lithosphere. Lithosphere is the outermost layer of the earth. This is the place where we live. It is not a continuous piece because we can see there are mountains, there are plains, there are sea, oceans. So it is not a one continuous piece. It is more like a slightly cracked eggshell. And this crustal blocks are of two types. One, continental crust. Second, oceanic crust. The continental crust lies below the landmass. Its thickness varies between 40 km to 100 km. The oceanic crust lies below the oceans, or we can say this ocean bed or the land below the ocean or sea, and its thickness varies between 6 km to 8 km. Now let's see what are hydrosphere. Hydrosphere consists of all the water bodies of our earth like ocean, sea, lake, river, streams, waterfall, glaciers, ice, snow and even water vapor. These rivers and oceans are source of food and minerals, as well as they allow transportation on their surface. Now let's see what are atmosphere. Atmosphere is the layer of air that surrounds our earth. This air is a mixture of gases like nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and so many other gases. This layer is thicker near the land surface and thinner at the higher level. There are mainly 5 layers of atmosphere, namely troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Let's talk about Biosphere. Biosphere is the ecological system integrating all living things and their relationship, including their interaction with the elements of lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. We can find life forms on the surface of Earth's crust and as well as to few kilometers on the lower atmosphere and deep in the ocean as well. Now let's see what is ecosystem, which is a one more branch of our environment. An ecosystem is a geographical area where plants, animals and other organisms as well as weather, landscape work together to form a bubble of life. Ecosystem contains biotic as well as abiotic components which depend on each other, interact with each other and live in an environment that is unique. We can see there is a connection between biosphere and ecosystem. Biosphere is a broader aspect wherein ecosystem we can talk about a specific geographical area. And in biosphere there are many ecosystems. Okay, there are many ecosystems which are part of biosphere. An ecosystem might be as small as a pond or as large as a desert. The larger ecosystems are also specific kinds of vegetation such as tundra or tropical rainforest. In each ecosystem, the plant and animals adapt themselves to their environment. An ecosystem's health depends on a delicate balance among its members and the environment. All the elements of ecosystem are tied together by the heat and light of the sun and the weather of that region. Water is an important part of the ecosystem too. Ecosystem helps in maintaining the food chain and food web as well as help in sustaining the life form. Now let's see what is human environment. Human environment refers to anything that has been created by human like building, mines, bridges, etc. And the human activity like farming or manufacturing constitute to human environment. All these modify the natural environment to create a new landscape. Humans have influenced the physical environment in two ways, positive and negative. And often these two overlaps. To take an example, we human have cleared forest. It is negative. But to make building for our living or for our work, which is positive. So let's see few examples about positive. We can see dam and house which has been built over there. House, it is been built for our living. Dams which have been built which helps in reserving water, plus along with that it helps in generation of electricity. Now let's see few negatives. We clear forest which leads to deforestation. It constitutes to reduction in oxygen, greenery of our nature is being reduced, The second photograph shows polluted water body. We throw all our garbages, plastic, everything into a water body, which again pollute the water and kills the animal which are living there, as well as we kill the ecosystem of that water body. So human environment or human interaction with nature affects in two ways, positive and negative. Positive, which helps human to live or to make the living convenient, whereas negative effect hinders the ecology of our nature. An ecosystem is being killed by negative interaction of human with nature. That's all for today, students. Thank you.